my god. Oh, hi.
Bird?
Today I'm making a video about this, and I have to be quiet because he might hear us, and he might
Cardinal.
know.
Cardinal, they came to collect the, what is called?
Seed.
Yeah. Also lots of bird.
I used to find a blue jay, but now it's gone. But when I found it, it have a white belly and a blue on the top of him. That's how a blue jay looks like. Now he's in the decks of the wood.
Also other side. Did you see how many flower are, and how many bird is creeping and they are eating? Lots of small bird.
I just already found an orange. I just already found an orange bird. Look, what is your same size like that? Red.
They are pair.
Like Cardinal.
Okay, come, say bye.
Bye. I might find another bird and make a video.
Yep.
Like blue jay.
Yeah.